It's amazing. Look at that price dip. Now, I sold some Bitcoin yesterday, up there at the supply zone, about 102,300. Got a nice exit. Now I purchased some Bitcoin this morning on the dippy dip at the demand zone. Hey everyone, it's John. I'm on my news desk and prop trading desk. Today is January 7th, 2025. Got a lot of exciting news to talk about. Bought the dip this morning around 6:45 a.m. down here at the pivot point. And so now we're waiting for a buy signal to come in so I can add to a winning trade. So I'm in it. We'll go over the pivot point here again, but here, check this out. Let's look at the go over the news real quick. Okay, the New York Times reporting Meta reveals plan to alter fact-checking program. CBS News is reporting Trump attorneys ask Garland to stop the release of special counsel report. AP News, the next round of bitter cold and snow will hit the southern U.S. It's freezing here where I'm at, northern Florida. Canada's Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, resigns. That's big geopolitical news. And it says Los Angeles, challenging winds and destructive winds. Is that Santa Ana winds? And then Harris message after official announcement that, Trump is a winner, etc. on CNN. So a lot of geopolitical news here, getting ready for the installment of President Trump into the Oval Office here on the 20th January. So let's take a look at this real quick. Here's the supply zone. Here's the demand zone. I sold up here yesterday. Again, had a limit order, it pumped. And then now we get the dippy dip down into the demand zone. And so I got limit GTC orders filled. We're going to go over the pivot points here real quick. So I have another order out there to purchase again. So I'll go over this real quick here. Check this out. So here's the cheat sheet for January 7th, 2025. The new pivot point number here is 100,498.26. So it's pumped up from there, so now the market is in control of being bullish in a sense. But I bought the dip and I have another order to purchase here, again, at the pivot point. So these new numbers, they were produced last night. They update every day or so around 6 p.m. So I canceled my existing orders that I didn't purchase. So I got a nice trade on this morning. So let's take a look at the dippy dip here again. Dips down into the demand zone, calls it short here at 101,600, and then dips down here to the demand zone. So we got the pivot point on, and see if we get another purchase price in the market at the pivot point, which is again here 100,498.26. So let's look what's being reported on geopolitical. First, we did that. Now, socioeconomic, Nvidia stock is pumping. Again, not financial advice. I have to say that. I'm not a financial advisor. New high for Nvidia. CEO's keynotes at CES. A lot of news being reported. U.S. stock futures inch higher. Stock market's going to open up here in about 15 minutes. Job data on deck. The most important variable to watch now is interest rates. So Fed speak, Nvidia, Tesla's up again, McDonald's, a value meal, all right. Aurora shares after deal with Nvidia. Nvidia's doing a deal with Aurora. McDonald's joins wave of companies backing away from DEI. U.S. bans unpaid medical bills from appearing on credit reports. Again, Nvidia, Tesla news. Let's scroll this up. AI startup drive VC funding resurgence. Tesla seeks Sweden court order in protracted labor union conflict. U.S. trade deficit widens in November. Mesa to sell 18 Embraer jets to United Airlines. Highest UK debt costs since 1998. More labor hikes. Dollar extends losses. The de-dollarization effect. JP Morgan becomes the latest U.S. lender to quit net zero banking alliance. So this is what we have. Let's take a look. Dow rises. Nvidia unveils new chips. Dow Jones is up, and So top gainers, Inari Medical, Paycor, man, and then stocks that are off. Bitdeer Technologies, I own such shares. So this is what we have. So that's amazing news. All right, let's take a look at this again, the pivot point. All right, whenever I had the patience to wait for the market to come to me at the pivot point, I always made money in my operations. So this purchase here again is at the pivot point. I did probably 5 or 6 trades at the previous pivot point and then sold, for a nice trading profit in the last couple days. So I get my orders here. Now let's take a look. Okay, again, supply zone, demand zone. This is a 5-minute chart. So I have limit orders out there to purchase again. I got one fill here on the dippy dip in the meridian of the demand zone. And so what I do is my trading plan for today, I dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. And then I set my pivot point trades that are limit GTC orders. And then gives me a smoothed out price on the price of Bitcoin. And if we look here also too, the long-term trend for Bitcoin is 100% strong purchase. So that's the reason I'm being more progressive with my dip purchases because of the trend. Of course, we have the installment of President Trump coming up, and the altcoin season is here now. So got a lot of exciting news. So that's my trading plan for today on Bitcoin. Dollar cost average Bitcoin today. Try to purchase more Bitcoin at the pivot point. Dollar cost average SPY ETF, which owns a concentration in Nvidia shares at a new all-time high, plus the blockchain ETF, both of those BLOK and BKCH. So with that, that's my trading plan for today, running about 7 minutes, just a quick video. And check it out. Please like and share, and please give a thumbs up to my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Everyone have a super wonderful, great day. Thanks. It's Sean on my news desk and prop trading desk.